We're on board a Nortec 340 Sport. As you can see, we are looking at the start panel, which mounts on the dash and communicates with the FOB unit, which can be worn on a belt loop just like you see here, or you could wear it around your neck, whichever is more comfortable. Press the start-stop button once to turn the ignition on. Then press and release the center button again to start the engines. Pressing the start button one more time shuts all of the engines off. You can also start the engines from the start panel by entering the pin code. You then press the on-off button to turn the ignition on, and next press the start button, which starts the engines. By pressing the on-off button again, you shut off all of the engines. You can also individually start and stop the engines from the start panel. You begin by entering your pin code. Next, you press the on-off button. Engine 1 will be started by pressing and releasing 1. Press 2 to start the second engine, and press 3 to start the third. To shut off the engines individually, simply press the button for the engine you wish to shut off. With the CoastKey system, the original keys are still completely operational, although unnecessary. Since the keys are redundant, they can be installed inside the console. CoastKey is a multifunctional control. There are 2 available functions. These functions can be assigned to different systems, such as tilt, windlass, or bow thrusters. Here we see the engines being tilted up and down by pressing the assigned buttons. Here is an example of the windlass being controlled by the assigned buttons. Here we are demonstrating the wireless kill switch. If the captain falls overboard, the FOB is submerged and the radio link between the FOB and start panel is broken, causing the engines to shut off. Man overboard situations can occur in many different ways. Sometimes reckless boaters, like this guy here, need to be protected from themselves. As before, when the FOB is submerged, the engines shut off. When a man overboard situation occurs, CoastKey automatically goes into emergency restart mode. The start panel emits a beep for 12 seconds indicating this. If there is a passenger on board, they can simply restart the engines by pressing the start button. No pin code is required.